In this course,
Come on guys, welcome to this new tutorial series.
In this course, you'll
Stop it. Get some help.
Stop watching tutorials. Seriously, stop it. You're stuck, watching video after video, feeling productive, but you're not. You're just collecting knowledge. Useless, wasted knowledge if you don't use it. Guess what? You'll forget it all in a week, because you never actually built anything. You think you need just one more tutorial before you start. Wrong. You'll always feel like you don't know enough. That's the trap. It's a black hole, and you're getting sucked in. Close YouTube, open your editor, pick a project, anything. Simple is fine, ugly is fine, but build something. People waste months, even years, just preparing. There's no perfect time to start. You're bad at coding. Good, that's how you improve. Break the cycle, start messy, fix later. You're gonna suck. You're gonna get stuck. You'll Google every 5 minutes. Good, that's learning. Errors are normal. Feeling dumb is normal. That's how real programmers work. The difference? They push through it. You are frustrated of solving new problems. Good, that's what makes it stick. Each problem you solve makes you 10 times better. Make your code public. Push to GitHub. Share it, even if it's garbage. No one cares. Just ship it. You'll think, but what if my code is bad? It is, and that's fine. You'll improve by doing, not by hiding. Need to solve a problem? Watch a tutorial, then apply it. Don't sit there watching for fun. There's a difference between active learning and passive communication. If you're just watching, you're still stuck in the loop. Break it, build something. Now you're actually learning. Now you are building. Now you are making real progress. Escape tutorial hell or stay stuck forever? Your call.